I have a dream, that's all I need.
Guys, Evans here. Welcome back to Evans Fresh Fitness. Today I just want to give us a quick one how to do the V sit-up. I see a lot of people come in when they do the V sit-up, they have pain, their lower back, and etc. So I just want to break it down so we know how to do it properly to avoid unnecessary injury or damage. Alright, before I go further, guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be the first one to get my notification. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Alright, going forward, V sit-up. It's a good exercise. Strengthen your lower back and your core. Also, you benefit on your glute because during the movement you also activating your glute and your hamstring. So first one, sit like one do the sit-up, and we go from here. The knees where people lagging, try not to rush. Once we sit here, we bring the tense up. So you try to keep the torso upright. So we still right. So now we come this way, right? For the beginner, you can bring it here, right? Then, if you are more advanced, you can bring it here center, right? Right. So, when you are a pro or superstar, get ready to do the V sit-up. Keep your legs straight as much as you can to activate your core, your hand behind your head, overhead. So you want to bring both and meet halfway. So you want to bring the arm all the way and the leg to meet halfway. So it goes something like this. So here we go. So we're gonna talk about our V up some other time. So you end up like V up position. But now we're doing the V sit-up. Then it goes like this. Straight and smooth. See that? This is what I'm talking about. So that's how you do the V sit-up. Just for a few seconds that I've done that, you can see the tense on my core. It's a good exercise, but I must advise it's good for advanced, not the beginner, to strengthen your core, because a lot of people think every sit-up or every stomach workout helps you to burn or get a six-pack. I know, right? People always say you can get six-pack 1 week, 3 weeks. Dude, I know. You say that with experience of 20 years. So whoever telling you that, you then wasted your time. So try to be consistent, do the right thing, follow the right process, loosen up the fat instead of building muscle on top of the fat. That's a bad and wrong idea. So you don't want to build muscle on top of fat. Get rid of the fat. Everybody has six pack. Get the fat out of the way so that your six pack can be visible. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do subscribe, like, and share. See you on my next video. Thank you.